Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 3. That is a beautiful poem with title Let's Clean. Today is lecture 2. In this lecture, we will learn about vowels and consonants. We'll cover page number 22 and 23 of book. And here I have a message for my dear fellow teachers. With this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan and worksheet has been attached for your convenience. You may download it, you may print it, and may teach the way I'm teaching or even in a better way. All right. Yes, my dear students, in your previous class, English for grade C, you have studied recognition of vowels. This was on page number 55. So you are familiar with vowels. We are learning the same concept today, and today we will recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets, and we will also trace and draw horizontal, slanted and curved lines and curves forward and backwards, inshallah. All right. Yes, my dear students, the name of Allah starts with the letter A. Now, A is the first letter of English alphabet, and it is also a vowel letter. You are familiar with it. That A, that is the first letter of ABC, and it is also a vowel. And subhanallah, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also starts with the same letter. All right. So you remember this ABC? There we learned and wrote capital and small letter, and we have learned their sounds once again. Now, my children, out of this ABC, all these alphabets have been divided in two categories, and what those categories are? Vowels and consonants. When these two, like vowels and consonants, are together, we say these are English alphabets. But out of these English alphabets, we take 5 letters separate, and which those letters are? A, E, I, O, U. Right? In this way, we say A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and when we take these vowels out of ABC, rest ABC, these 21 letters are known as consonants. What they are called? They are called consonants. All right. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants, and these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Do you understand the concept? You got it? All right, let's move on. Here, take your hand out, and with every finger, name one vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U. All of you do it with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Right? In this way, we learn these 5 letters are vowel and rest of the ABC is consonant. Simple. Now, dear teachers, pause the video over here and repeat it so that it should be engraved in your students' mind. Okay? Pause the video and make them to learn the way I told you. A, E, I, O, U. All right? Do it. Yes, my dear students. Did you do it? Now you know all the letters which are known as vowels. Yes, tell me once again. A, E, I, O, U. In this way, these are 5 vowel letters. All right, let's move on. Now open your book on page number 22. And here, again, the concept has been given about these vowel letters and these consonant letters. We are going to start its first activity. What they want us? You have to read the letter These are vowels. Now we know A, E, I, O, U, and match it with the picture. Which letter starts with the letter A? Okay, now you know these are vowel letters, and you have to match these letters with their relevant words. Okay, pause the video and do it. Yes, my dear students, did you do it? It was very easy activity, right? Okay, now let's move on to the next activity. What they want us? Say, identify and connect the vowels by drawing slanted line. What does slanted means? A line which is like this. It may be backward or forward. This is slanted. And consonants with curves. And what does curve mean? When a line is in curve shape, it may be in this way, it may be in this way, right? These are curved lines, these are slanted lines. Now what we are going to do? We will join vowels by slanted line and consonants by curved lines. Here one has been done for you. You see, A is a vowel sound. A is also vowel. Next is A, E, next is I. That's here. So you have to join it in the same way it has been done, like it's a slanted line. Okay, so find out all the vowels and join them together with a slanted line. Here, one important message, that is to hold the pencil properly. Remember, I taught you we use these three fingers to hold the pencil. Still, my dear teachers, if any of these students needs assistance, kindly go to our website and teach them holding a pencil properly. This website I have given this address to you, and it is also mentioned in the description box for your convenience, because it is important at this initial stage to hold the pencil properly. A pencil grip will enable child to write properly. All right, so it is very important. Find every child should be holding pencil properly and then make them to do this activity. All right, so once again, I suggest you start this activity and show it to your teacher. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, are you done with it? Good job. Okay, on the same page, page number 23, this activity has been given. What we are supposed to do? Circle vowels and underline consonants. Again, I remind you, what are vowels? Say it. A, E, I, O, U. Great. So on this page, you have to circle wherever there is a vowel, the way it has been done. I is vowel, you have to circle it. N is consonant, you have to underline it. B is consonant, you have to underline it. Do this same activity for all the words given on this page. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, have you done it? Did you enjoy? Now you understand all the vowels? Very good. Okay, once again, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Now I have given you an additional worksheet. Once again, this worksheet and the lesson plan of this video lecture has been attached in the description box. You may download it, take a print and do this activity. What you are supposed to do? Words are given to you. You have to find out the vowels and write them in the circles given here. All right? Okay, that's great. Now what we have learned today? We recognized and identified vowels and consonants, consonant letters in English alphabets, and we drew slanted and curved lines in forward and backward direction. So in this way, we have achieved our today's SLO, that is to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets, and to trace and draw horizontal, slanted and curved lines and curve forward and backwards. This SLO we'll repeat in coming lectures as well. So for today, that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning all these concepts. Tomorrow I will come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.